Hey, it's Owen from Central Vacuum, and I'm here to present a few options that you can choose to add on to your conventional central vac installation. When I say conventional central vac, I mean you have a hose set like this. Maybe you have more than one, like one on each floor, and you have wall inlets like this that you're going to take the hose and plug into. Now, normally we cover just the main living areas. You put in about one wall inlet for about 700 square feet, and that gives you full coverage with a 30-foot hose. Keep in mind, this built-in vacuum is a 10, 20 plus year investment, so whatever areas that you might want to vacuum sometime in the next decades should get inlets, just so you can plug in and use your built-in vacuum for that space. One very popular thing that we can add on is an automatic dustpan. This type is called the can sweep, and it turns on with a kick of your toe. And now anything you sweep into that opening will get sucked away into the vacuum system. Very nice in the kitchen. We also do them in bathrooms and laundry rooms. Another cabinet type accessory add-on for your vacuum system is this. This is called the Vroom, and it goes in the cabinet, takes up very little space, popular under the sink, and it gets piped into the vacuum system through the back wall behind the cabinet or down into the floor. And this pulls out to 20 feet. So it's a stretchy hose that automatically retracts itself back into that box, and it's very nice for quick cleanups. You can get crumbs off the countertop, or you can attach the included wand and floor tool and vacuum the floor. Very nice option. That's the Vroom. Another quick clean option is the WallyFlex, and this is a stretchy hose that mounts on the wall. It self-stores, and you turn it on like this. And this I would do in the laundry room, like next to the dryer, get the lint out of the lint filter area. We've also done them in mudrooms and garages. You can get a similar idea as this, but with a flush mounted plate. Looks like this. You would open this up and pull out your stretch hose. And here's the stretch hose from one of those, and that's called the Spot. So the flush mounted is called the Spot, and the surface mounted is called the WallyFlex. Speaking of retractable hoses, these are becoming more of a popular option everywhere in the house in lieu of standard wall inlets. So you can mix and match in a system and get hoses that retract back into the wall. So you pull this out as much as you need. It locks at the end, or you can insert the locking clip any place along the hose length if you want to use less than the whole length of hose. You do your vacuuming, you can attach any tools to the end of this hose, and then when you're done, you simply twist it. And with my hand over the end, the suction will pull the hose back up into the wall. And this would either be called the Chameleon, or there's a version called the Hide-A-Hose, and that looks like this. Same idea, retractable hose. These are available with and without a fabric sleeve, protective hose sock. You can also get a hose sock for your main hose. That's something that you obviously don't have to install. You can add that anytime. Last thing, think about the garage. Sometimes we'll put the canister out in the garage, and then you can just buy a hose to keep in the garage, hook up to the canister, vacuum your cars and the garage itself. If your canister is not in the garage, but the garage is still attached to the house, you can just have a wall inlet installed in the garage. Very convenient, very handy. The latest and greatest is the Retract Vac, and that goes in the garage. It surface mounts on the garage wall. Most common place to put it is going to be right next to the overhead door, and the pipe goes up the wall and either across the garage ceiling or up into the garage ceiling. And this is a retractable hose that you pull out. This can be up to 50 feet long also. You vacuum your vehicle interiors, vacuum the garage floor, and then when you're done, it puts itself away. Very convenient. And you know, the more convenient that is, the more often you're going to use it, and the cleaner your garage and your vehicles will be. So just a few ideas. We can add these to any new installation as well as any existing system. If you already have a system in your house and you want some of this cool stuff added, let us know. Thanks for watching.